Hey everybody, my name is Chris from Bish's RV here in Junction City, Oregon. It's a really wonderful day to show you a couple trailers, and this is one that I am really excited about. We have got an amazing sale going on right now on these Sundance trailers made by Heartland. They are the Snake River edition, and they are super neat. This one in particular has got the coolest floor plan. It's very unusual, and I can't wait to show you the inside. But first, I want to show you a couple really good things on the outside. So one of the things that you're going to notice is solid step entry. Makes it safe for people to get in and out. When you open these doors, they're thick, they're insulated, they're magnetic, and they're slam latch. Isn't that nice? It's quality right there. Now, take a look at this. You also have the solar charger controller already installed because there's a solar panel up on the roof. That's going to save you probably like $1,200, and it's going to help you keep your batteries charged all the time when you're not pulling it or plugged into shore power. If you do any dry camping, that's also another really awesome thing that you can have. You do have the power tongue jack. And with this model, which is really great, you've got power stabilizer jacks as well. Now, moving right along back here, I want to show you a couple things. Your hookups are basically on this side and right here in the back. All LED lights inside and out. They use very little power, and it does have backup camera prep. This one's got a nice big outdoor kitchen. Now, this is something you don't often see in a couple's trailer. Usually you see them in bunkhouses. That makes this kind of special. And all of this can be closed just like that, and you can lock it. And then right here's your button that I was talking about for your power jacks. Real super easy to use. And you're going to notice up there, there is an outdoor speaker. We've got one on the other side as well. Underneath a big awning that covers everything. The slide out is here, so you don't even need to buy a slide out topper. It covers everything. You can put your barbecue here and you can just have a blast. Now, first I'm going to show you the bedroom. It's really nice to have a walk around bed. That's something that most people ask for. And this one actually has space to walk all the way around it very nicely. You've got cubbies up top, and you've got closets to hang clothes. There is a little table right here. You're going to notice this table has a bracket on it. That bracket can fit right, so you can actually have a table. Important to them in trailers is being comfortable. The older I get, the more comfort matters to me. A lot of times people, instead of squeezing into a tiny little dinette, they'd rather have nice, comfortable theater seats where they can, sit together, have a drink, have a table, eat, recline, and hold hands or whatever they want to do while they're watching TV. This is where your TV would go right here. We can help you get one of those in here. That's not a problem. It does have the AM, FM, DVD player, everything, Bluetooth, and your speakers inside and outside. Everything is there ready for you to just enjoy. And the kitchen is right in this area as well. So this is a nice big fridge. This is not what they put in a smaller trailer like this usually. It's nice and big. Take a look, you've got a microwave, the fan and light module, and this protective glass enables you to extend your countertop more. You've got a nice gas oven, and speaking of countertop, a lot of space for stuff. A lot of people like to use air fryers and toasters and all kinds of things, blenders. You got plenty of place to put those things and use them. And a nice big farmhouse stainless steel sink where you can use larger size plates and bowls and pots and pans and that sort of thing, which is really great. Notice one thing about this trailer. See how the ceiling is arced? So the water's going to fly off, the snow's going to melt off. I'm 6'1". See, it's got a little extra space. If you're a taller person, that makes a big difference on the inside of a trailer. It's a novel idea that you could sit on the toilet and shut the door. And in this one, you definitely can. It's got a skylight in the shower. So for tall people, they can easily take care of business. Tons of counter space. You got two sides of drawers right there, doors right there, should I say. And a sink and a pantry. All this is available in this one small trailer. It's a very big bathroom and a small trailer, I guess is what I'm trying to say, and that's really fantastic for most adults. They like that. This one is an amazing trailer. Gosh, these things are like 56,000 bucks and we're selling them for like under 40. We've got several different floor plans. I would love to show this to you, or I can simply help you make a purchase online from your recliner at home, and we can do everything and then DocuSign you the documents and set you up for the time when you come pick up your trailer. We can make it really quick and easy. We can get you the best financing for your buying power, and I would love to be the one that gets to help you make this dream come true. So I'd appreciate it if you'd think to give me a call. You can call or text me on my personal cell phone anytime, 541-636-7878.